Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mario and today we're gonna cook something delicious. I mean, if you watch the other video that we did, you'll know already that we travel around the world and we have a YouTube channel, a travel channel. So you just have to click somewhere here, you're gonna see the card. This is called My Travel Journal Vlog. That's another channel that we have. So every time we travel, we also look for recipes. We love to eat. So we eat and we eat and we eat. And today we're gonna cook something typical from the Peruvian cuisine. Okay, this is a chicken soup that is very traditional and the name of the dish is Aguadito. We're going to need 3/4 of a cup of chopped red onion, 1 cup of chopped carrots, 1 cup of green peas, 2 potatoes. Look at the color. We're using the Peruvian yellow potato, but you can use any. 200 grams of chicken, a cup of cilantro. We're actually going to make a paste out of it by blending it with a little bit of oil. 1 corn. We're using the Peruvian one. Look at it. The kernels are huge. Of course, you can use any corn. And this is called yellow chili in Peru. We're gonna make a paste out of it also by blending it with a little bit of oil. You can also not use it for this recipe, but I love it. 2 tablespoons of garlic paste and 1 cup of rice. Let's start cooking by putting some oil in the pot, and when it's warm, we'll add the onions. Let them caramelize for like 4 to 5 minutes, but keep an eye on them not to burn them. When you see them a little transparent, it's time to put the garlic and the chili, like a tablespoon of chili paste. The smell is amazing. After 2 to 3 minutes, it's time to add the cilantro paste. Move it a little bit, and now we're talking. This is the smell of the aguadito. 2 minutes more, and now we put the chicken. And move it a little bit. Let's get the flavors getting it. We put the green peas and the carrots. And you know how it works. Let's move it a little bit. Now let's put like 1.5 liters of water. Salt, pepper, and we're going to let it boil for like 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, we put the rice and the corn and leave them for like 5 minutes more. After the 5 minutes, we put the potatoes. If you think that the soup is getting dry, you can add more water. We move it a little bit and we leave it for 5 to 8 minutes more, or until the potato is done. And then when the potato is done, the soup is ready. You have to try this recipe, it's delicious. It's like in between a soup and a risotto. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, and if you have a recipe in mind from any part of the world, leave it in the comments below. Until next week!